Hi, welcome back to Roland's how-to video. Is this a common problem that you might be facing? Well, let me tell you something. Almost everybody that I know that owns a flag has the same problem. Even though it's on a swivel on the pole, the flag keeps tangling up. But guess what? I have a solution for you, and it's really inexpensive. So, hold on for a minute, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to get a little closer and tell you what my secrets are. First of all, one of the things you need is a lock. Simple lock. All right? Next, come up here, untangle your flag, and again, be gentle. You know what it represents. Normally they have these swivels that's supposed to swivel around. Taking the flag down, and these swivels are supposed to do it, but it doesn't work. So what first thing I do is I disconnected it here. Put your lock on the bottom, and there you have it. It won't tangle up. Hold on a minute, and I will be back when a hard wind is blowing, and you can see how great it works. Isn't that simple? Here's now an example of the flag blowing with a lot of wind, and as you can see, it doesn't get tangled, and it looks really good. I don't know what else to tell you. I think this is one of the simple things you do. All right? As a reminder, do me a favor, like this video. If you want to see more videos, please hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell. Anyway, there'll be a lot more videos coming up. I hope this one helps you out. And again, very low cost way to do it. And hey, representing America. All right? Take care.